beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. Happy holidays, and if you are celebrating Christmas, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I am so excited to share with you what I got for Christmas. I picked these items. Our house I have eyeing on this item for quite a long time, but I was not sure that I'm gonna like it because I have not picked anything from Cartier for last few years. I don't know, I kind of like, felt like that I don't like anything from Cartier anymore. Like, one that I love was their Justin Clue bracelet and their love ring and their Justin Clue rings. I already have that. I was not interested to look or buy on anything, and then pandemic happened. When you want to go to browse in a store, they have to have an appointment, and I just feel like I was not interested on anything to look around. So I have been only buying was Van Cleef, and actually, in fact, the day that I picked this item, I was gonna buy a bracelet from Van Cleef, and then we went to Van Cleef. I made an appointment with Cartier because I want to try this item and just to see if I'm gonna like it. And when I tried it, I really love this, and I picked these items, and I did not, of course, buy the Van Cleef. I felt like it's too much to buy two items like at the same day, so I will save that for later on. And let's get this unboxing, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what I got from Cartier. I hate to open this box. They packed it so beautiful and nice. Let's open this. I hope you guys are having a really good time with your family and with your friends. We did not do much because Spar is small, and like we didn't even have a Christmas tree because right now Spar is into that age that he could touch everything, and there's no point for us to do anything right now. We bought him a gift, that's it. We did not decorate house or anything. So here is a box, and this box feels a little bit bigger than my other Cartier Justin Clue bracelet box. So let's see and open it. There is a box. Let me see. I know what's inside, but I just want to see. I have not looked into this item since I picked that up, so I'm really excited to see this one. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This is so pretty. Okay guys, ready? Here is the beauty. I picked Clash de Cartier. Yes, I did that. I did not like this bracelet when this bracelet came around 2019. When they introduced this bracelet, I was not sure about it, and I didn't even care to try on. But I keep looking throughout this year, and keep going to their website and keep looking, and I just feel like maybe let me try this one and see how it goes with my stack. I wear Van Cleef bracelet, Van Cleef Pearly bracelet, and Justin Clue. So I want to add one more, and also actually I have another wish list, is that I want the tennis bracelet, and I have been looking at tennis bracelets so many places, and the diamond values and the market, it's just crazy. I'm not very much familiar with diamond. If you guys have any suggestion for me, where can I buy tennis bracelet, please let me know. I have been looking for a tennis bracelet for so long time. So back to my bracelet. Here is my classic Cartier bracelet. This is in rose gold. They don't make this in a yellow gold. They have white gold and rose gold, and they have also different sizes, small, medium, and also this one comes with the diamond one. That was really expensive, and I did pick the small one. I tried the medium, I tried small, and I tried other few, but this one just perfectly fit into my wrist and with my stack. So my husband and also my SS, he suggested me to buy the small size, and I love it. This one is rose gold. This year I just feel like that I'm becoming like a little bit more adventurous in my jewelry collections, and I bought a white gold from Van Cleef, that holiday pendant, and also the Cartier rose gold. So I do not have any rose gold into my collection. This is my first rose gold, and I'm very excited. So let me show you. Let me take this out. I can come closer and show you. Here is a bracelet. This is in oval shape. I like the oval shape because I just feel like that it fits really, you know, good into your wrist. And the fact I love about this bracelet is that you can take it off anytime. You don't have to wear like a love bracelet. I tried love bracelet, but I did not like it much. I had one and I did not like it because I like to take my jewelry off when I go to sleep, except my necklace. If the necklace is small, I wear it, but if it's too bulky, then I have to take everything out when I go to sleep. When I wear my love bracelet, I felt like that it's like a handcuff, and I did not like that feeling. So that's the reason I replaced my love bracelet with my Van Cleef, this bracelet, because this one also easy to take it off and on. The one with the pearly one has the lock like this. It's kind of getting loose, so I gave it to them. They are repairing that one and they're gonna tighten that lock. So right now I have is my Clue and my Van Cleef bracelet, and I'm gonna show you that how it looks. And you know this, what is this called, the spike? It's a spike, I don't know. The spike kind of move and it just feels so heavy and really nice. I love this bracelet. To open this bracelet, you have to, like, you know, go to find a little bump area here, and then let me see. I'm not used to of this is my first time even, like, you know, taking out from the box and trying, so I need to get a little bit of practice on this opening here. I found it right here. This is an oval shape and all the spikes here, it's kind of move, and when I try this one, it does not scratch any of my, like, you know, clothes or my jewelry. So I thought that this is a perfect addition to my jewelry collection. I love how the small details on this. Look at how pretty is this. It's a very unique bracelet. It's very classy, at the same time edgy. You know, when they introduced this bracelet, they said this is for the, like, a punk style, but I just find this is a very elegant bracelet. And after I try this bracelet, I really want their ring with the diamond one. I will insert the pictures. I love that ring so much. That is my another in my wish list. That next one I want to buy is a ring. I am still trying to figure out how to open this dang bracelet. Like, it's very hard. I don't know, like, you know, how I could not open this out. And this one, you just have to go through this little, like, you know, hinge here, and then you can just open like this and push it through like this. I'm planning to wear in between my two of my bracelet like this, and oh my god, look at this, how pretty this looks. This is so perfect with my Van Cleef bracelet and my now my Cartier Class D Cartier, my Cartier bracelet and my Clue. And then when they bring my other bracelet, I will wear it on, right, like maybe like this one here. I know this is rose gold, but it does not really, like, look different. Like, it just blends really beautifully. I don't mind mixing metal. I love mixing, like, you know, gold, rose gold or white gold. I do not have any white gold bracelet. The white gold first jewelry I bought was the Van Cleef, that my holiday pendant. If you have not watched that video, I'm gonna insert the link over here. Go watch that video. It was a beautiful surprise, and it was a beautiful necklace, and I wear that all the time. I just take that off and just I don't know why I like this little necklace right now. I'm loving it right now, so I just changed with this one. So this is how it looking into my stack. I am thinking to buy next is that their ring with a diamond, but I will wait a little bit because Spar is 1 year old and I should not have these excuses. But yes, after I give birth to Spar, I gain a few pounds extra and my hands are a little bit swollen and I could not even fit my wedding ring right now. It fits, but it's kind of a bit tight, so it's hard to, like, take it on and off, because I like to take my jewelry all the time, like, you know, put it on, put it back, so I'm like that. So I will wait for a few more months, and I am going workout right now and I'm watching what I eat, my diet. So after I wait for a little bit, then only I will buy the ring. I don't want to be, like, you know, buying the wrong size, and after I lose my weight, it gets bigger. So anyways, this is my new Christmas gift from my husband, and he is always very sweet and kind to, you know, spoiled me. This is very pretty. I'm so happy with my collection, and I can hear my baby is crying downstairs, so I better go down there to see what's going on. That's all for today's video, guys. If you like this video, then please make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below and be a part of my YouTube family. I would love to see you and see your comments that what kind of jewelry you want to buy next, or do you like this bracelet or not. Just let me know down in the comment below. I hope you guys have a safe holiday and enjoy your new year. Wish you all the best and happy and healthy new years. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.